and pair programming and that sort of thing. But I try to stream as much as possible, so you can kind of see my process and see a little bit more of what's going on. Okay, so I don't have that much time in between now and my mentor session, probably about half an hour. So what we're going to do is we are hopefully going to build a quick conversion switch switch thing. I hope this makes sense. We are going to build a quick conversion application or function. And then from there we're going to see what else we can do. Okay. And then we're going to fix something that I broke with my schema. Okay. So, the problem right now is two things. Is one, currently, my issue is that this sorts everything and converts it based upon the day of the week. My database currently stores everything, and let me save this really quickly. My database saves it currently as a string right here. And I mean, it's not like I have a ton of stuff in my database, for that reason. So like, I wouldn't necessarily call, oh my god, this is, horrible or whatever. Okay. Because we're getting a return saved meal, blah, blah, blah. Okay. Let's cancel this. And then let's cancel my MongoD. Let's do another MongoD. And let's do this again. Because I kind of want to change my schema to number, but I'm not exactly completely certain that that's, that's really what I want to do. Right now, cannot read property push of undefined. So right now, my test for get meal sorted into object isn't working because, frankly, what's being served by the database, is not what it's meant to convert. So I need a conversion, for that. So let me, for this models, restoring schema for day of week back to string. And we're doing that for simplicity's sake right now, frankly. Because, I mean, honestly, like, we just need to, like, not worry about it right now. Okay, so let's write a test for this. Let's say it, and then what does it do? It converts string day of week into number. And then let's do this, and then let's do that, and let's do this, and then const data is equal to and then we're going to say day of week is Wednesday. Let's make that a string. And we're going to say expect result is going to be equal to an array with an object that is day of week. Okay, so 0 is Sunday, 1 is Monday, 2 is Tuesday, 3 is Wednesday. So we're going to say 3. And great. And we need a const right here. Expect, what am I calling this thing? Convert day of week. And actually, let me export it. And then let me import it here. Convert day of week. Okay, and then convert day of week. Passing in data to be result. Okay, that is our test. Okay. All right, so let me make it pass. Okay, so it takes in data, and what does it do with data? And why doesn't it like data? Data is defined but never used. Okay, so data is a thing. And actually, to be honest, I think that we can just do data.map like we did in the previous one. And then we can say m and then we can say data dot, and actually let's not use dot notation. Let's say m day of week okay. So this is where we need a switch statement. Because what we're probably going to need to do, we can map within it, but we're going to need a switch statement in the middle. Because essentially what we need to do is we need to, like, if it's Wednesday, it's this. If it's Friday, it's this. You know, that sort of thing. So, like, I definitely think that we're going to have, I mean, we could have a few different, like, a bunch of different maps. I mean, I guess we could chain them together. Okay, so let's look at a switch statement. If I could spell that right. Okay, so let's do this. return switch. And then it definitely uses brackets. So we're going to say switch, and then it uses case. Wednesday, and then let's see here. And then it uses a colon. M. Okay, and then we do day of week equals 3. And then we do okay. Let's see how this does. Oh. Unexpected token. Oh, it needs a default at the end. Okay, so maybe this does what we wanted to do. No. Day of week is not defined. Okay, so why don't we... const ARR equals this. Great. And then we do switch ARR. Let's not introduce a return yet. Let's see if that works. Okay. Ooh. Let's do ARR equals 3. Okay. For some reason, this does not seem to be working. And I'm kind of wondering whether or not there's an easier way to do this. Because this seems kind of ridiculous, frankly. I'm wondering if there is a way to do like a set of filters or reduces or something like this. Reduce. Okay, so let's see here. Because what I'm wondering is whether or not it's easy. It may be good to like. Maybe what I need to do is I need to like run a reduce or something like this. You know what I mean? Because what I'm wondering is whether or not, because, so the map will, like, we could simply do it like an if statement or something like this, but, like, yeah. I mean, I honestly think that there's a better way to do this. Okay, so let's look at my, What I'm wondering is, so let's see here. Because I can filter or reduce or map. And between these three things, like, I think that I could probably do it. Oh, guess what? I think there's a way to do this. Because, so what if you filter out all of the, so const 0 equals data dot filter, and then we're gonna say x equal x fat arrow, and then let me make sure I'm doing this right. And then we're gonna say x dot day of week is equal to Sunday. Let's do 3. Because remember, our test is testing on Wednesday. So this wouldn't necessarily have anything. And let's do that. And then let's do this. And let's do that. See what happens with the test. All right, run my test. Do it. Okay, interesting. It's an empty array. Okay, because I didn't spell it right. Okay, let's try it again, shall we? Perfect. Okay, so that returns. Okay, and then what we should do is we should do so let's, and we kind of almost want to do this in Alquaca, but I'm not going to worry about that right now. 3.map, and then m, and then let's do this, and then m dot day of week is equal to actually 3. No, it's m dot day of week is equal to 3. Let's see what happens. Buffer allocation failed. What did I just do? Arrow function should not return an assignment. Oh, that's fascinating. Okay, so let's do const 3 num. Whoa. Dude. Wow. I've never had that happen before. Okay. All right, and then let's console log 3num. And okay, and then oh, that doesn't do what I think it should do. Because look at this, it returns a... So it returns a... Wait. Okay. Let's save this again, and it's probably gonna like freak out at me because it's trying to like, oh my god. I don't know why my tests are failing right now. Well, I mean, I know why that's failing. Okay, so let's do this. In part, my tests are failing because of this, because of my lack of a MongoD server. Okay, so let's just run npm test one more time, and then we will commit and stop. The hell is that? It's possible that is a Stack Overflow. Let's just quit this, shall we? Okay. All right. The funny thing is, it won't quit. All right. Well, welcome to my Node project where we try to make things happen. I'm Delia Codes, and thank you for watching. I'll talk to you soon.